You've bought yourself a EcoWater refiner and you're like, what did I get myself into? Well, I'm here to help you understand that you did your family, you did your home, you did your pocketbook a huge favor. And let me show you why. Here is a refiner right here. This is made by EcoWater. They're based out of Minnesota. They also have a factory in Mississippi. So this guy is actually designed, if you can see the plumbing system here, we routed the water, the raw water to come through and into the system. Let's get that hose out of the way. Goes in through the filter system. It goes down through the resin tank, and it has carbon in it as well. And then it comes back out and goes off to the house. So normally you'll see the water is interrupted and it comes back out so that you have really great water throughout the whole home. Now, what you got yourself into is a state-of-the-art system that is NSF-44 certified, that will be certified to take out radium, barium, by the way, radium-228, radium-226, and barium out of the water. It's also certified to take out calcium. Yes, calcium is that nasty common contaminant, which is this rock, right? It's hardness. So the hardness is going to be removed using ion exchange. That's why if you look inside, you can see some salt in there. We do an exchange. Look, I'm almost due for salt there. So there is the sodium down on the bottom. It uses salt to clean the filter material. Really basic. By the way, you can switch to potassium chloride if you don't like salt, but the reality is if you get yourself a good reverse osmosis system, that'll take out any leftover sodium. This system has exact salt or potassium chloride dosing, which means it saves you a ton of money. As a salt delivery company, which we don't like delivering salt, this is the hands down best product on the market because it uses technology called exact salt dosing and an algorithm to track your water usage, so it knows exactly if it's 2 pounds, 5 pounds, or 10 pounds of salt, it needs to clean the filter bed. Now, the filter bed is this fiberglass tank in there. And what we have in there is we have carbon and we have high-grade resin that's certified. Now, those two things are going to remove both the chlorine out of the water, filters out sediment and dirt, basically, and the radium that we talked about, and the calcium or the hardness. Now, this is important because as that water goes up and travels through the house, you're protecting the water heater, the laundry machine, the dishwasher. You're protecting your appliances. You're protecting, heck, even if you go and have a coffee machine, if you're looking at your shower, your toilet, your dishwasher, everything that touches water, the shower stall. Look at your faucets, look at the shower head today and see if you got that white film buildup. If you do, this guy can benefit you. This guy is going to be able to do what's called ion exchange. That's where we're replacing the hardness ion with a sodium ion so that it travels through the house and does not affect the plumbing or the white fixtures, the silverware, the glassware. All those things are going to be protected from removing that at the source. Also, this gets out that chlorine. The chlorine is what bleaches out your clothing and makes your clothes fade and go to charity faster than you really want to. If you want your products to last longer, you buy products that you really love. Well, you want to make sure that you're getting that chlorine out of the water so that it lasts as long as possible. So this EcoWater refiner, this is the 3700. It's phenomenal. It gets connected to your Wi-Fi system, so it can go to an app to tell you ding, ding, ding when you're due for salt. As you can see, mine is about due, so I have to pick up some salt, put it in there. The alert will also tell you if water's running in the home. So if you have a faucet, a fixture, maybe you have a plumbing pipe that just starts running, well, bing, 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 your alert on your phone will tell you something's running. By the way, when we go and service water equipment, what do we find? There's 3 reasons why water equipment breaks. 1, they don't have salt in it. 2, it's unplugged. But 3, and most importantly, the hardest way to define it is we have a leaking toilet. Very hard to define, but that's what will cause your water bill to escalate over time. So speaking of water bills, or speaking of your money, if you're looking to be able to save money, which I'm assuming you did since you bought this system, in the long run, this guy is going to do the best job taking out these contaminants or these natural and man-made contaminants that are in the water, some naturally occurring in the earth like radium. But this system is going to take that stuff out of the water and protect the investment you have in your home. That's how you can find that it will save you money in the long run. Not to mention, as some of you might have seen, for me, it takes out that chlorine and rock, which means I don't have to buy lotions as often. I don't have to buy as much shampoo and conditioner as often. I save money every angle I can. Pine Sol, Windex, Tide. I use so much less Cascade. If you open up the manual on your dishwasher, it'll literally tell you if the water is soft, you can use a smidgen of soap. It's so fantastic. If, however, you're living without a water conditioner or refiner like this refiner from EcoWater, you do need to add so much more soap, which is over a long period of time, just picking money out of your pocket. That's why, secret be known, EcoWater really isn't the largest water company in the world. The largest water softener company in the world, water filtration company in the world, is actually Procter & Gamble. They sell more chemical cleaning agents, which is designed to sequester the calcium, than anyone else in the world. So they're the largest water softener company in the world. So if you're sick and tired of that's gonna go on forever, this refiner is gonna help you eliminate Procter & Gamble stealing your money. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you if you've made the investment in a refiner or you're looking at making an investment in a EcoWater refiner. It is hands down something, as for our company, since we can basically represent almost every company in the industry, we service every company in the industry, we could sell almost anything. The reality is that this system is the very best. By the way, whose name is on it? Yeah, Warren Buffett. I mean, that's like him or hate him. I mean, the reality is his name is on this system, so they have to provide an amazing product because their name is tied to it. So, made in America, as I mentioned before, amazing product. If you need any help with it, contact us. As you know, we're always here to help serve you. My name is Drew. I'm here to serve you.